Hi, so you saw the unboxing of the AFERY DC portable power station 100 watt Nano 100. It's the model. That's a nice and compact unit. As you saw in the unboxing, it comes with this little box, very well protected. It's a good packaging. Also includes this thing to avoid condensation inside. It comes with this accessory that's, as mentioned, is needed to um, charge the device via USB-C. On the top, with the retractable charging cable, you also get the input of 100 watt via this device. You connect here, and you have this round connector that's very common in solar panels. As you can see in the manual, the device, it has LCD screen display with a single button to turn it on, USB-C, USB-A, and another USB-C, 45 watt, this one, 100 watt, this one, in and out. The display has input, recharge time, the progress bar and the percentage, and this is the output, very common in all the power station of other brands. The device also has these fault codes. With the display, it's very simple to understand what's happening. It has a lot of possibilities to use it. You can charge it with the main. It didn't come in the box with the wall plug, but a common USB-C charger for phones or iPads or even laptops are great for this purpose. You can charge it with a mini solar panel via the upper port. You can charge it with MC4 interface. Beware that you only have this. You don't have any other accessory device in the box. And also with car, with cigarette lighter, maybe you can find something that has this plug on the other end. The device, it's very nice because it's made with LiFePO4 cells, so it's safe, hopefully. It didn't have lithium batteries that are more susceptible to damages. They can explode. As you can see, it's 99.2 watt hours, 3100 milliamperes, 3.2 volts. So hopefully these inside are the little the little stick batteries, a lot of them in parallel to get this amperage. Rated capacity 20 volt, 5 ampere, 404 mAh, milliamp hours. It has a charging temperature on this time because LiFePO4 cannot be charged when it's freezing and are accessible to high temperatures. It weighs 1 kilo. It's very nice. It's little. It's nice to carry around. So let's test the device. Turn it on. You can see input 0, 99 hours. It's the time it can stay on, 100%. Output 0, 99 hours. Let's try to use it. As you can see, you can take out the cable. It's very long. It's nice, very long. I plugged in a device to try it. As you can see, it's charging. It says via USB-C, the upper one. It says it's taking 12 volts, 1.62 amp. On the device, you can see output. Oh, it's charging it. So it's taking this energy to charge this battery. That's strange. It's taken as an input. so you can have another battery to charge this one. Another test, we plugged in this remote with USB-C. It's not any in the input, it's output 1 watt, it's a little device. Now let's test it with an iPad that's almost fully charged, but it can charge it, no problem. Much different test, it's charging a laptop, that's a ThinkPad with USB-C port. It's outputting 22 watts, it can do it for 4 hours. That's very nice. And that's one of the more I like it very much because it's light, it's good, it functions well, it can charge any device that I have, and it's good, no problem at all. Maybe some light improvements that I would have done, it would be wireless charging up top would have been nice for a phone or other device, or also to have another way of using it. And in the back maybe a light would have been nice. A lot of compact devices have it, and maybe thinking it using it in a camp in the night would have been nice to charge through phones, and also maybe have some little light in the tent. So thank you for the watching, staying with me. If you like, please like the video, and maybe subscribe to the channel to see more content like this.